Hello guys, welcome to Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to make the passport size photo without having any software in any operating system. Either it is Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1 or 7. How you will go for? Let's see in this video tutorial. I have already uploaded and given a link to watch below the description box of this video tutorial guys, so you can have there, and of course you can click to watch if you don't know how to remove the background of any photos. It's an easy way, and website link also have given. It's a free of course guys, so of course if you are interested to have your passport size photo of any photos, of course you must watch of this video tutorial how to remove and how you will go for of those photos to make the passport size photo. So at the moment guys, I'm not going to install any software, any photo editor, any Photoshop, and also I will tell you, yes, in this video tutorial how you will have according to your own visualization quantities photo passport size. By one click you will be able to print out. So now see guys, here what we have to do. First and foremost, just I will come off this photo. Suppose here, see, this is a photos guys, that I have removed this background of this video of these photos, and now I'm going to make the passport size photo of this especially photo. So now what I will do guys, simply I will open in a paint option. So see, this is a paint. So in each operating system of course there is a one paint. No need to install any MS Office, no need to install any Photoshop or photo editor. Just simply you have to click here guys, and you have to come on the selection option. So this is a selection option guys. Here we will see, we will here just you can first and foremost you will just reduce the zoom of this, and now yeah, just let me have the maximize of this. Now see what you have to do guys, simply you have to select the rectangular selections, and just I will have one photo size pick of this ones. And now what I will do guys, simply no need to have, just simply I will cut from here, and now just I will close it, and I will open one new paint. So here just I will come in a search bar. So let me have to come in a search bar guys. So just I will come in a search bar, and once again I will write here paint. So now I will click once again on this software, and see it's already there. So what I will do here, simply just let me click here this one's, yeah, just to maximize it, no problem at all here guys. Just let me maximize it, and it's all the white color guys. Now can I paste here? Of course, let's see. Now see, according to your own visualization of course you can paste here, and so what I am going to do guys, here see, I will paste here to, now simply 3, according to your own visualization how much quantity you would like to have. So let's see, 8 photos I would like to have quickly. So what I will do, simply I will click here, and I will take 8 pieces photos. So once more I would like to have here. So simply I will paste here, I will click to paste. Now see 8 photos. Now see here what I will do, simply I will click on a brush, and I can here select according to your own desired color to have a especially backside white color, black color, if you would like to have the black color guys. So what you have to do, simply just click on a black color, and just let me Udo just what I will do, simply on a brush and I will click here. So now see, now what you have to do, simply I need to now here, just I will come on this rectangular shape and I will select the all here, and this one just I will go for crop now. So of course I can crop. So see, your passport size photos is ready just within a 1 minute without having any, of course, software or additional photo editor. So see, one thing, directly you can click on a, especially here, and sorry, on a file option you need to click here. So now see guys, here you have option to print. So just I will click here. Now see, if you have print that has been already connected with your computer, then you can directly command open this and you will have this, and just according to just your requirement you can have the piece here guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. My motive, that's how you will go for the passport size pic or photos without having any additional software in a Windows 10, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. And similarly, if you would like to have the brightness, anything, then what you have to do guys, simply you have to save it on your desktop. So just type easy, just on a desktop I would like to have. So just here I need to rename and just I will save it. Yes, I will okay it, and now it's a time to come here and just I will open it on especially these photos. So we will have option to enhance, just decrease or accelerate the brightness, anything according to your own increasalization. So see, just I will click on edit options. Now in edit option, of course you can have the, now see, color, brightness, all the thing already given here. So in next video tutorial, if you are inclined to just color, the brightness, etc., then of course I will show you in a next video tutorial according to your requirement if you need guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive, that's how you will accelerate your knowledge in a information technology field. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If it is acknowledgeable, then of course please don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. So why I'm telling you, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for enhancing the knowledge in a IT sector guys. If you have further any inquiry, of course you can raise the query blindly below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to the query guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching a technology welfare. Have a great time.